Now, the legal battle begins between President Yoon and the impeachment motion. The two sides will make their cases at the Constitutional Court. While the law guarantees a decision by the court in 180 days, in the past two impeachment cases, it only took 2 or 3 months. Or Kim Do-yeon explains more.
Now, as per the procedure, whether to oust President Yoon Suk Yeol will be decided by the Constitutional Court. The National Assembly will faithfully take part in the decision.
All eyes are now on the Constitutional Court. At least 6 out of 9 will have to agree with the reasons behind President Yoon Suk Yeol's impeachment motion within the next 180 days by law. First was Yoon's declaration of martial law within the authority of a president granted by the Constitution, or did the reasons for the declaration not meet the criteria of a constitutional declaration? Also, the impeachment motion included an allegation of Yoon committing insurrection, as his deployment of troops to the National Assembly to stop it from operating was an act of rebellion with the intent to undermine constitutional order. As the court reviews the impeachment motion, there will be open public verbal arguments made from the two parties at the court. President Yoon Suk Yeol already defended himself from these claims and will finalize his team of attorneys.
제가 대통령으로서 발령한 이번 비상 조치는 대한민국의 헌정 질서와 국헌을 망가뜨리려는 것이 아니라 국민들에게 망국의 위기 상황을 알려드려 헌정 질서와 국헌을 지키고 회복하기 위한 것입니다.
The chair of the Parliament's Legislation and Judiciary Committee, Chung Cheong-rae, will represent the side that's pushing for this impeachment. The main opposition Democratic Party of Korea lawmaker is also the one who handed the copy of the impeachment resolution to the Constitutional Court.
If it weren't for the people who stopped the martial law forces, the National Assembly wouldn't have had the time to vote on lifting the emergency martial law, as guaranteed by the law. Today's impeachment motion was possible because of the people's protection.
Right now, there are 3 vacancies on the bench, which could cause a delay in the decision. But the Speaker of the National Assembly pledged that these vacancies will be filled as soon as possible. While there are 180 days to decide, the past 2 impeachments didn't take that long. It took the court 2 months to decide that the impeachment of President Roh Moo-hyun was not constitutional, and he went back to his post. It took 3 months for the court to decide Park Geun-hye's impeachment was according to the Constitution, effectively kicking off a presidential election season. The number of verbal arguments also varies between the past 2 cases, and while the president is required to be at the hearings, they can be excused with a reason. Kim Do-yeon, Arirang News.